guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to play I'll Wait by Kygo and Sasha Sloans. So we got the keyboard on the first fret for this song. That's a very easy song, guys. We just got 4 chord shapes. Same chord progression is actually going on. We're just gonna do a finger picking for the verse and the pre-chorus, and then we got the chorus. So let's talk about the structure of the song first. We got the verse, then we have first we have a small intro, then we have a verse, then we got a pre-chorus, then we got the next chorus, then we have what's that? Yeah, post-chorus, then a drop, and then again verse, pre-chorus, chorus, drop, post-chorus, and then a last chorus. And that's it, guys. So for everything, it's gonna show you all alternate techniques and everything. So let's get started. So you can just go down the chord charts below. First chord is an A minor, just 4 chords: mute, open, second, 1, 0. Then you have its F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. It's better if you slide the shape over here. It will be a G. If you are having problem like playing the bar chord or playing all the frets, you can just play like this and shift this over here. Sounds pretty good because we're actually having the bass note over here also. This is a G, which is in this shape, and then the G easy shape is the normal shape 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3. And then we have C major, which is mute 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for this song. So if you want to just learn Like It Is by Kygo, just did it, so you can actually check out. The link is given in the description box down below. So chord progression of the song will be A minor, then a F major, then a C major, then I'm right. A minor, F, C, G, and that's everything. That's the chord progression for the whole song. So first we got the intro, and the intro just goes A minor. Now the main thing which I just want to show you in this song is the finger picking, which sounds very nice, but it's actually more easy to play. So as it is, I'm using my thumb to pick the D string. Now one thing which I like to keep in this song, like all the chords, just want to keep the same string. So on the A minor chord we are playing D. I'll just not provide you with the tabs, but before just look at the fingers. So we are playing the D string, then G string with the index, then D string with thumb, then B string with the middle finger, and that's the pattern which is going out throughout the whole intro, pre-chorus, and verse. That's very easy. So now let's have a look at the chord. Yeah, A minor. So intro goes with the A minor, and we are playing this 4 times. I'm not showing the tab right now. The tab will be coming for the verse. Okay. The intro will be, and then you go to the verse, starting with the A minor chord, and the chord progression remains same, and you're doing the same thing for exactly all the chords. Just look at the tab now. For the A minor, in the tab it's actually written 1 time, but we are actually playing it 4 times on each chord. It's for you guys. You can just see the tab and figure out the notes. You go to a C, F, you go to F according to chord progression. Playing it 4 times on all the chord. You go to C major. You can just play this shape because we don't need the A string, so just play like this. For the G, just play this shape, it's better. I don't think you will face difficulty with this shape because it's just a continuation of F major. Quite easy. And that goes for the pre-chorus. If you face any difficulty, just let me know on comment below. Doing 4 times on each chord, same pattern: DG, DG, DB, DG, DB, DG, DB. I think now it's quite clear. You go to the chorus with the same chord progression again, and then we have strumming. Strumming pattern, just want to show you, it's quite easy. The strumming pattern will be down, up, down, up, down. That's it. That's the strumming pattern for the chorus. So it's down, up, down, up, down. So it's nothing intermediate, nothing hard. It's actually very easy strumming pattern. Just break it down, up, down, up, down. So you see how I'm going? Da, di, da, di, da, di, da. So with the strumming pattern, it sounds something like this. C, G, and that's the strumming pattern of the chord. Quite easy. Don't play it quite loud over here. The strumming pattern, because we got the next post chorus, and then we also have the drop. Come to the pre-chorus, sorry, post-chorus. Now the post-chorus, you need to do palm muting. So what's palm muting? Palm muting is having this part of hand rested on in front of the bridge of the guitar over here. So get a very soft sound. It sounds very soothing. So you're doing down, 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 down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's quite easy. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going same on all the bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm doing, my hand is fixed. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only your wrist is moving. Keep your hand stable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the strumming pattern for the post chorus. I'm just gonna break it down for the chords. So let's have a look at the chords for the post chorus. Now we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I just like to change the strumming pattern, the chord progression for the chorus, post chorus and drop. It will be an A minor, again an A minor, then an F, then a C. That's it. A minor, again A minor, F, C. So you're playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Remember we're playing A minor for 2 bars. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. F major 2, 3, 4, C major. So F major 2, 3, 4, C. So let's see how it sounds. Sorry. So you can actually hear 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, a C major. Again, last one, guys. Go a bit hard when you just go to the drop. And you go to the drop. For the drop, I like to keep the strumming pattern exactly same as the chorus. But I just want to take it a bit advanced. So if you just know, just want to play that, you can just see, or you can just go with the strumming pattern of the chorus, kind of a bit louder. Or over here, I'm just doing the same strumming pattern of the chorus. Again, same chord progression as the drop: A minor, F, C. But I have to add some extra strums and slaps and all in between. So let's have a look at it right now. So I'm going down, up. You can actually slap if you know how to slap. Or you can just do down, up. Keep your hand down, up. It's as simple as. So you're going down, up, slap, or you can just keep your hand. But I want to get the sound. So So down up slap, down up slap, down. Now in between you can actually always keep your hand moving. So always keep your hand moving whether you're strumming or not, but you always keep your hand moving. So I'm going down, up slap, chicka chicka, down, up slap, chicka chicka, down. Okay. So down, up, slap, down, up, down, up, down, up, slap, down, up, down, up, down, down. Like this. It's a bit advanced. Just hear the sound and you'll actually get it. If you find it difficult, want some more clue, just hit me up in the comment below. So let's see how it sounds with the chord. So let's play on 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, remember the chord progression: A minor, F, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. And that's pretty much everything for the song you need, guys. That same thing is repeating, then we next verse, next pre-chorus, and everything is exactly same. So I hope you find this lesson helpful. Just let me know comment below any other song that you want to learn by any artist. Don't forget to subscribe. Just got an actual face reveal, new guitar reveal, and everything for you guys. So just keep on subscribing, and take care, and see you guys back in the next video. Bye.